Fuel that takes care of the ROI? Propane can do that. Fuel that also helps take care of the ABCs? Propane can do that too. For decades, school districts have trusted propane autogas to safely transport students from point A to point B, all while reducing costs. That's because propane autogas buses not only cost less to operate than gasoline and diesel, they deliver the lowest total cost of ownership available. And that's not only smarter for your budget. It means more resources for students too, because savings can help you afford more teachers, more extracurricular and sporting events, more music and art classes, more computers or books, more of the things that kids need for a well-rounded education and a strong start in life. School districts big and small are enjoying the benefits of propane autogas savings. These districts also have the peace of mind that comes with quieter, cleaner operation. Because everyone can agree, there's nothing more important than the safety of the students inside. The math just adds up. Better savings plus clean, safe operation? Propane can do that.